तो आ चुके हैं हम अपने देश के राजधानी पे. यस, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द दिल्ली कैपिटल्स टुडे एंड विद कुशागर, द रेसिडेंट दिल्ली कैपिटल्स फैन काफी एक्साइटेड थे. दिल्ली कैपिटल्स लास्ट सीजन फॉर ऑब्वियस रीजंस फाइनल पहुंचे, लेकिन फाइनल का वो पड़ाव पार नहीं कर पाए. और इस सीजन नए कैप्टन, एक नई उम्मीद रहेगी विद ऋषभ पंत दैट ही इज एबल टू बेटर द अचीवमेंट्स ऑफ लास्ट सीजन. कुशागर, काफी इंटरेस्टिंग अपॉइंटमेंट रहा है एंड वी विल टॉक अबाउट द प्रोबेबल 11 स्टार्टिंग विद obviously the man who's been making a lot of headlines recently, Prithvi Shaw. काफी अच्छे headlines बना रहे हैं for the Vijay Hazare Trophy. He won recently as well, and to be joined by Gabbar at the top.
Absolutely, domestic cricket को तो उन्होंने रोड साइड गली क्रिकेट बना के खेला एकदम. मतलब जैसे रन्स बनाए, 800 रन मारना है यार किसी भी टूर्नामेंट में. लोग सीजन में नहीं मार पाते हैं, लोग पूरे डोमेस्टिक सीजन में 800 रन नहीं बनते. वो बंदे ने ऐसे ही मार दिया है मजाक करके. And then to lead his team, such a young man, lead his state to a victory in the premier one-day competition of the country as well. Especially after Mumbai had such an unimpressive, rather poor Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy, right? So उस हिसाब से तो बहुत ही अच्छा खेले हैं ऋषभ पंत वाओ, पृथ्वी शॉ एंड ऋषभ पंत भी बहुत अच्छा खेले. उनके ऊपर भी आएंगे हम लोग, बट यस, पृथ्वी शॉ शानदार. एंड he will be looking at it as a stage to propel himself into the national reckoning. He is a player who can definitely be a part of the T20 team. So let's see how it goes for him, and especially after the season जैसे last year था, he'll be looking to make amends around it. I'm pretty sure. As far as Shikhar Dhawan is concerned, यार मतलब गब्बर क्या कहें. He's been in top form. Just unfortunately missed a century against England. Was thoroughly deserved. Got out. He's been in good form. Though T20s में he got dropped after the first match, which Indian context में देखा जाए तो I wouldn't really be too annoyed with that. But in terms of Delhi Capitals context, there is no one else who starts at the top apart from these two.
Absolutely, and last year those consecutive hundreds, I think that showed everyone why Shikhar Dhawan is such an important asset to this team. And coming to number 3, because Shreyas Iyer is one of the players who plays in that position primarily. He is not there this year. We are going to probably go with Ajinkya Rahane, aren't we?
यार मतलब अगर मुझसे पूछो तो मैं तो अजिंक्य रहाणे के साथ जाऊंगा, बट मुझे ऐसी भी फीलिंग है कि it could be Steve Smith. Though you make a very fantastic point. Steve Smith के आने से क्या होता है, combination disturb होगा because you already have settled on a quota of 4 players that are going to play in terms of overseas players, isn't it? So if you bring in a Steve Smith as a replacement for Shreyas Iyer, of course an Indian player, it completely disrupts the balance of the team. But on the other hand, can you really drop a man of that level of caliber and fan following and worldwide approval in that sense that Steve Smith is on the bench? My answer to Delhi Capitals would be कि भाई राजस्थान रॉयल्स से पूछ लो जबरदस्ती खिलाने से क्या होता है. So that's my only answer to you guys. So I would
agree with you as well. I feel that Steve Smith should not be in the 11.
मैं रहाणे को खिलाऊं. अगर रहाणे भी नहीं खेल रहे हैं तो मैं किसी एक इंडियन हिटर सॉर्ट ऑफ अ बैट्समैन को मैं डाल दूं नंबर 3 पे, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उससे. और I would rather promote Stoinis and bring in an Indian hitter at the late second half of the innings. So definitely fine with me. I would do that rather than bring in Steve Smith. But for me it's a toss up between Rahane and Steve Smith. Personally I would take Rahane, but let's see what the team asks for and goes for.
Absolutely, and I mean then coming to number 4, we almost have no other option but Rishabh Pant. Number 4 India के लिए काफी बेहतरीन खेले ऋषभ पंत, and it would be a no-brainer to see Rishabh Pant playing for DC at number 4.
Absolutely, and I mean the thing is कि Pratmesh, I think with Rishabh Pant, one has to be careful that his position in the batting order remains quite fluid, isn't it? It remains quite fluid to the sense that even for India, you can't be like मैं पैसा प्लेस कर रहा हूँ, नंबर 4 पे बैटिंग करेंगे पंत. उस दिन पंत 4, 5, 6 is किसी भी उस पे बैटिंग कर सकते हैं. So that's perfectly fine with him. Here also, depending on circumstances, sometimes you might see Pant come in at number 3. अगर दोनों openers ने अच्छा लंबा खेल लिया है, he might come in at number 3 to just go slam bang and everything else. But I think Stoinis और Pant will keep interchanging amongst themselves. एक बात रहेगी of course left hand right hand combination की. दूसरी बात रहेगी, what are you looking to do? Rishabh can probably play both the roles that Stoinis can play and more. So Rishabh probably मेरे लिए बेहतर बैट्समैन है, more versatile बैट्समैन है. But let's not forget, in Stoinis, Rishabh has a bank, like sort of a thing player. Rishabh can just be like, forget everything else. I will just screw this out of the park. And I will go hell for leather.
Exactly.
He has
that depend
kind
on Stoinis later.
Yeah, he has that kind of dependability factor on Stoinis. So depending on those factors, I think आप number 4 and number 5 पे Pant and Stoinis को देखेंगे. It could keep interchanging between who comes in 4, who comes in 5.
Yeah.
But I think 4 or 5 इन दोनों का है.
Yeah. So probably if you just look at it right now, probably Pant at 4 and Stoinis at 5 would make a safe bet in itself. But
yeah, I mean,
number 6,
you can say that. Yeah, of course. Hetmeyer होना ही चाहिए. Shimron Hetmeyer has to play. मेरे हिसाब से अगर मतलब maybe is probably a position lower than I would have liked him. I would want a man like Shimron Hetmeyer to get as many balls as possible. Again, if you look at these three, and Abhi, I know we don't have Akshay because because of the positive COVID test. So maybe second half of the IPL में Akshay को देखेंगे. These three and Akshay are some of the best hitting power in the IPL along with Mumbai Indians. In the middle and the lower middle order. All 4 of them can hit the ball over 100 meters. All 4 of them easily. So that's incredible. So
that's an incredible option to have.
So Hetmeyer plays 6
last year.
Yeah, definitely. Hetmeyer plays 6, and in my opinion, I think Pratmesh will also agree. Ravi Ashwin, best spinner, has to play number 7.
I mean, the best spinner in the world has to play at number 7. Unki batting we have seen in the recent few games, I think in Australia, in India as well. It's taken that leaps and bounds again. And हमने देखा है कि अश्विन ने in IPL also is done well with the bat historically. So we can probably bank on Ashwin to be there at number 7, probably to play those cheeky little shots and get those runs towards the end of the innings. If it comes down to Ashwin, it's anyway going to be difficult. But then if it does come to him, Ashwin is very, very capable of scoring those big runs. And coming to the next 2 spots, the number 10 and number 9 spot, obviously 2 bowlers who were brilliant for Delhi Capitals last year. If you look at their bowling performances, Rabada with 30 wickets and Nokia with 22 wickets, a combined 52 wickets between them. It's almost like if you wanted 2 names on the team sheet first, if you're a Delhi Capitals fan, it would be Rabada and Nokia.
Absolutely, and quite a big of a loss in that sense. But again, one must respect the fact that South Africa की Pakistan की series चल रही है. We saw that incredible innings by Fakhar Zaman as well back yesterday as well. So one can't deny that fact that the Delhi Capitals will miss the 2 of them for the opening couple of matches, maybe more.
Yeah.
Depending on how long they take in terms of entering the bio bubble for Delhi Capitals, but absolute gun bowlers and very important bowlers for the Delhi Capitals. So replacing them, as you mentioned, will be Boaks and Karan. Frankly, they're not nowhere near the level.
Yeah.
But आप एक चीज देखिए, Boaks और Karan दोनों में हिटिंग एबिलिटी मिलती है आपको, जो कि शायद रबाडा और नोकिया में नहीं मिलती. तो ये लोग
शायद रबाडा में है, बट नोकिया अगेन इट्स डिफिकल्ट.
हाँ, रबाडा का can be, it can't be. I think Boaks and Karan के पास collectively ज़्यादा you would expect out of them. So I mean, one would not hope कि वो last का number 8, 9, 10 आपको hitting कर रहा है. You would hope क्योंकि batting ही ना आए. But in case गलती से आ गई, तो that is the slight bit of positive to give. And also Boaks and Karan are fantastic backups. अगर कुछ मतलब ऐसे let's hope कि they don't get injured. But if something happens by God forbid, these 2 are fantastic. And the last 2 are, I don't think I even need to say, Mishi Bhai or Mishi and Ishi, the Ishi Mishi factor as I call them. They have to play, bro. They have to play. उनको तो they were like SRH ने भूवी को मिस किया.
Missed them last year.
Yeah, SRH ने भूवी को मिस किया. जैसे कि आप क्या बोलते हैं, मुंबई से आप उनका राहुल चहर और बुमराह तो नहीं कहूंगा मैं, मे बी सेकंड सीमर हटा दीजिए तो वो वैसे हो जाएगा. आप किसी भी बड़ी फ्रेंचाइज से उनके की प्लेयर्स हटा दीजिए, वैसा लॉस था. एंड अमित मिश्रा for me is been amongst the top 3 spinners of all time in IPL, not just any IPL, of all time, and probably even top 5 bowlers of all time in the IPL. So has to play. And ईशांत शर्मा तो यार, as I told you, ईशान मिशी भाई तो
Yeah.
बनता है.
Kushagra, just one
थोड़ी सा.
mind-numbing question for you. In the first two games of the first game, when these two South African pacers are not available, do you see Umesh playing instead of Karan and one of the other foreign players, obviously, maybe replaced by Steven Smith? Do you see that happening?
It could happen. It could happen. It could very well happen because I can see a bit of a momentum building. Steve Smith ने ना शानदार और धांसू इंटरव्यूज भी दिए ऑस्ट्रेलिया छोड़ने से पहले, talking about the captaincy and wanting the captaincy back again. He's like, if everyone is stabbing Tim Payne in the back, why should I stay behind, right? So मैं भी कर देता हूँ थोड़ा सा. But like, in all seriousness, so there is a bit of momentum behind Steve Smith. So you could see a clamor, especially with Ricky Ponting being the head coach and everything else. You could see a clamor for him to be in the first team. But I would sincerely hope what worked. See, if it's working, you don't change it, is what my mantra has been in life, and it was working for Delhi Capitals. Just a little bit of a hiccup. I feel this time they're much better placed to attack that trophy than they were last year. So go for it, Delhi, and one step better, hopefully. That is the hope.
रोर तो मचेगा इस साल दिल्ली कैपिटल्स का, एंड हम ये देखेंगे. एंड दिस इज आवर प्रोबेबल 11 फॉर दिल्ली कैपिटल्स फॉर IPL 2021. स्टे ट्यून्ड.